Hello guys, I'm very excited to introduce this new model to you, which is Rakuten AI 7 billion parameter. Rakuten AI 7 billion is a systematic initiative that brings the latest technologies to the world of Japanese LLMs. Rakuten AI 7 billion achieves the best score on the Japanese language understanding benchmarks while maintaining a competitive performance on the English test sets among similar models such as OpenCom, Eliza, Yuri, Nakumata, and Swallow. Rakuten AI 7 billion leverages the Mistral model architecture and is based on Mistral 7 billion version 1. And when we say Mistral 7 billion version 1, I mean the pre-trained checkpoint, which exemplify a successful retrofitting of the pre-trained model weights. Now, they have also extended Mistral's vocabulary from 32K to 48K to offer a better character per token rate for Japanese. And I think that is where this model really shines along. Also, they have provided this model in an instruct and also in the chat version, and both perform really good. And they have also shared some of the benchmarking information on their Hugging Face model card, and I will drop the link to it in video's description. Also, their model has achieved highest average score more than 3 points ahead of the next best model, which is quite good, I should say. Now, when we talk about this Rakuten AI 7 billion foundation model performance on English LM harness matrix, then it has already achieved highest average score on that benchmark. Now, this Rakuten AI 7 billion is capable of generating human-like text on a wide range of topics, but still, it is not 100% correct. There could be some limitations, there could be some biases, inaccuracies, unsafe outputs, or even hallucinations. So, it is good, but still, I would suggest exercise caution and judgment while interacting with this model. Now, as I said, that this Rakuten AI 7 billion instruct and Rakuten AI 7 billion chat are already available on Hugging Face, and both are under Apache 2 license. Okay, enough theory. Now let's go to my local Windows system and get it installed and then play around with it. The tool which I'm going to use for this installation is my favorite LM Studio. Launch LM Studio, and then in the home page, just type Rakuten in the search box, press enter, and you will see that there are various quantized versions available. I already have downloaded the best quantized version available, which is Q8 in GGUF format. And as you can see on it is already downloaded. We can also verify it by clicking on this folder icon, and you can see that Rakuten AI 7 billion is there, which is cool. I'm going to delete the other one. I'm not using it at the moment. Now, in order to start using it, just click on these three icons. Let's make it a bit bigger and make sure that I am offloading everything to the GPU. Okay, I first need to load the model to see how many layers are available. So click on the middle, load the model, and let's wait for this model to get loaded on the GPU, and then we will see how many GPU layers can be offloaded. Hopefully I can offload all the all the layers to the GPU, maximum ones. And on the top left, you can already see the resource consumption. Model is loaded. Now let's see how many can I do. Okay, maximum, awesome. So this is good, and we just need to bounce the model once more time just to make sure it is loaded properly. Okay, so that is loaded, and now let's play around with the English and Japanese capabilities of this model. First, let me test if it can translate from English to Japanese. The prompt I'm using is that translate the following English sentence into Japanese, and the sentence is the cat is sleeping on the table. Let's see. Okay, let me copy it. Sorry, let me properly copy it from here. Let me go to Google Translate, type it here. Nice, you can see that the translation is perfectly awesome in Google Translate. That is cool. Okay, now so we know that translation is cool. Now let's see if we can do dialogue generation. In the next one, I'm asking it, imagine a conversation between two friends discussing their plans for the upcoming weekend. Ensure it reflects casual Japanese conversation style. Okay, let's see. Let's copy it, go to Google Translate, conversation between friends are discussing plan for this weekend. Okay, so it has just translated it. So I'll just say, give me a dialogue between the friends. Let's see. Because it's an instruction one, it's not a chat one, so it is just giving me, it is just translating it, it seems. Let me reload it to see if it is able to give me the dialogue. Maybe due to the instruct version, it is not giving me the dialogue, but let's double check. Let's try again. Okay, now let's copy it. Okay, so it is just translating it. That is fine. Let me ask it then all the instructions one instead of dialogue one. So in the next one, I'm asking it, summarize the plot of the famous Japanese novel Norwegian Wood by Haruki Murakami in a paragraph. Yes, this is very that's answer, but let's see. Okay, so it is just translating from Japanese to English, it seems. Okay, now can I uh, translate from Japanese to English? Let's see. Translate this sentence into Japanese. Cat is sleeping. And now let me swap it. Let me copy it. And let's see if it is able to do the English one. Okay, no, it hasn't. So it is only English to Japanese, it seems. Okay, no problem. Let me ask it another prompt. Now in this one, I'm asking it identify and correct any grammatical error in the following Japanese sentence. Let's see first what exactly this is. So the sentence is, I was having a picnic in the park with my friends yesterday. Let's see what this has said here. The Japanese statement, I was having a picnic in the park with a friend yesterday, is correct, but there may be some grammatical problem. Okay, so it hasn't really corrected it, but just has sort of translated it. Let's see. Let's see another one. So I'm asking it explain the significance of hanami, which is flower wearing in Japanese culture. This looks better. Let's see. Nice. So you see that this is better. That hanami is a traditional event in Japan where you can enjoy cherry blossoms, and it is a seasonal event that represents spring. Very nice. So this is very cool. Let's ask it if it can compose a haiku poem. So let me go to LM Studio. I'm asking it compose a haiku in Japanese about the beauty of nature, adhering to the traditional 575 syllable structure. Doesn't seem like it, but let's see. Maybe output is curtailed. No, this looks good actually. The wind is blowing while looking at the fresh green leaves. Okay, let's see if it is able to do some information retrieval. Now I'm asking it retrieve the population of Tokyo, Japan from a reliable database. Okay, so it has come up with something from 2019, it seems. Let's see. That is saying that the population of Tokyo is approximately 37.45 million as of this. The figure account for about 8% of Japan. Pretty cool, I should say. So I think I'm quite impressed by the model, um, especially its information retrieval, the summarization, and instruction um, tuned format of it. So let me know, what do you think? I think real good model. Maybe next one I will check out its chat version, how it goes. But so far so good. And I have done few other Japanese models too. I believe this one is the best one as far as Japanese LLMs are concerned. That's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you are already subscribed, then please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.